Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is My Knowledge Park, and today we have to discuss regarding that active into passive voice. In previous video के अंदर what we have just discussed, we have discussed regarding certain rules while making active into passive voice. एक्टिव का पैसिव वॉइस बनाते समय प्रीवियस वीडियो के अंदर हम एक चार्ट के बारे में देखे, जिस चार्ट यूज करने से एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव बनाते समय वो क्या होता है, बिल्कुल आसान होता है. इट बिकम्स सो इजी. नाउ व्हाट द चेंजेस वर देयर? एक्टिव में if in active there is ing, in passive being, if in active can, passive can be, if in active could, passive could be, if in active will, passive will be, if in active would, passive would be, if an active should, passive should be, if an active ing, passive being, if an active to, in passive to be, if in active may, passive may be, if in active might, in passive might be, if in active must, in passive must be. बस सिर्फ इतना ही आपके दिमाग में रखना है. यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड दैट इफ इन एक्टिव देयर इज व्हाट वी कैन से कैन इज दैट. सो इन पैसिव व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, बिफोर कंप्लीटिंग और बिफोर चेंजिंग दैट एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव, व्हाटएवर द वर्ब इज देयर, if we have to keep that verb into final form and before there is a can model is there or helping verb is there, then we have to convert that can into can be, and we have to write that infinitive into final form. Then what happens? It converts or it changes into active into passive. How it is possible? It is possible after what we can say, it is possible after giving one of the examples. ये कब समझ में आता है? एक कौन सा तो एक एग्जाम्पल लेने से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, try to understand. She is singing a song. थोड़ा ध्यान दे दो. She is singing a song. ये क्या है? ये एक सेंटेंस है. This is one of the sentences. And if we have to change this sentence into passive voice, what rules that we have to follow? It is very important. कौन से रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहले हमें जस्ट वी हैव टू कंफर्म दैट इन विच टेंस दिस सेंटेंस इज रिटन. ये जो सेंटेंस है कौन से टेंस में लिखा है ये कंफर्म करना है. अब कौन से टेंस में लिखा है? इट इज रिटन इनटू प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. ये जो सेंटेंस है ये सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के अंदर लिखा हुआ है. अब while making active into passive voice, what the one of the rules that we have to follow? We have to follow one of the rules that the given sentence must be divided into three parts. जो दिया गया सेंटेंस है उसको पहले थ्री पार्ट्स में क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है. वो कौन से है? एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय यस प्लस वी प्लस वो, these things are essential. एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय while making active into passive voice, what are main things are required? Subject is required, verb is required, object is required. Then what is the next step? अब दूसरी दहलीज क्या है? दूसरी दहलीज ये है कि वह दिया गया जो सेंटेंस है उस सेंटेंस को तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. Whatever the sentence is given to us, that we have to divide into three parts. And after dividing three parts, what we have to do? After dividing three parts, we should try to change that active into passive voice. Now, which are those three parts? One is a subject. Now, she is subject. Here is a noun she. It is a pronoun. She is a subject. Later on, what it is? Verb is there. Now, what is verb? Is singing is a verb. What is verb? Here, is singing is a verb. And what is a song? A song is an object. Try to understand, my dears. एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय जो सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब होता है वो पैसिव में ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब बनता है. एंड एक्टिव के अंदर जो ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब है वो सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब बनता है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. कैसे हुआ? थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करो. यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, माय डियर्स, व्हाट द चेंजेस आर रिक्वायर्ड व्हाइल मेकिंग एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. The given sentence must be divided into three parts, and which of those three parts? One is a subject, another is an object, another one is an, yes it is, another was a another one is a verb, and last one is an object. Now, what we have to do? First of all, the first step. What is the first step? First of all, we have to take that object on the place of subject. What we can say, while converting that active into passive. What is object here? A song is an object. Now we have to take that a song on the place of subject. A song. A song. Yes. First thing is clear over here. एक पहली चीज खत्म हो गई. कौन सी? ऑब्जेक्ट को हम सब्जेक्ट के जगह लिए. क्या करते समय? एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय. अब सी इज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग. Now object I have taken over here, a song. What is the second step? The second step is that before writing the final form of verb sing, we have to see what the sing is taking at the beginning also and at the ending also. Ending को verb क्या ले रहा है और beginning को verb क्या ले रहा है, ये देखना है. अब verb ending को क्या लिया है? Verb ending को ing है और बिगिनिंग को क्या है? is है. तो ये जो is हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, ये एज इट इज लेना है. क्यों एज इट इज लेना है? इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो यू हैव बीन टोल्ड. पहले की वीडियो में आपको बताया गया है. क्या बताया गया है? कद्दू के ऊपर दरांती डालो या दरांती के ऊपर कद्दू डालो, कटने वाली चीज तो कद्दू ही है. इट मीन्स दैट देयर इज अ डेंस पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ चेंजिंग टेंस इन डायरेक्ट इनटू इनडायरेक्ट. But here, while making active into passive, there is very less possibility of changing the tense, and hence a song is as it is. I have taken a song as one of the objects, and that it is at the beginning. A song is. Now verb carries ing. Therefore, before writing the final form of the verb, what we have to write? If an active verb carries ing, and if we have to make that passive, then before writing the final form of the verb, we must and should be taken being. Just try to understand. A song is being. Now what we have to do? We have to write the final form of the verb. V1 converts into V2. V1, V2, V3. Sorry. V1 converts into V3. कैसे? V1 is sing, V2 is sang, and V3 is sung. Understand? Sing, sang, sung. तेरे संग. ऐसा नहीं. Sing, sang, sung. Understand? Samsung नहीं. Sing, sang, sung. Sing गाना, sang गाया, sung गा चुका. ठीक उसी तरह. A song is being sung. It is. Sing converts into sung. Now what it is? A song is being sung. Now if we have to bring this C on the place of object, recently 2 minutes back I told you, while making active into passive voice, subject becomes the object of the verb and object becomes the subject of the verb. Now you see please, a song is being sung, and if we have to convert that C in the pronoun, possessive pronoun as her, what we have to do? We have to take one of the conjunctions, or you have to take one of the prepositions. What is that? That is a by. Understand? Bye bye nahi. It is a by. Understand? Okay. A song is being sung by. She converts into her, and this is active into passive. What is happened over here? Meaning change nahi hoti. The meaning is not going to change. Neither what we can say, the tense is going to change. Action is the same. वो गीत गा रही है. ये वर्तमान काल है, चालू वर्तमान काल है. वो गीत गा रही है. गीत उनकी ओर से गा चुका है या गाया जा रहा है. गा चुका है, गाया जा रहा है. What I mean to say that whenever we are going to change that active into passive, what one has to do? We have to just divide first of all the given sentence into 3 parts. We have to bring that object on the place of subject, and soon after bringing that object on the place of subject, we have to see what exactly the verb is carrying at the ending and at the beginning. अगर beginning को क्या है बाबा? is है. noun singular है तो is. अगर beginning को क्या है? is है. लेकिन objects क्या है? plural है. is के जगह are. ठीक उसी तरह सेकंड थिंग क्या है? If active ing, passive being. If active have, passive have been. If active has, passive has been. If active had, passive had been. If active would, passive would be. If active should, passive should be. If active to, passive to be. If active may, passive may be. If active, what we can say, might, passive might be. If in active must, in passive must be. These things are very very important while changing that active into passive voice. And once if you have followed these rules, definitely all over in the world you can change these active into passive in so easy way. So guys, I think you might have understood in very very fantastic way. And today again in previous video, sorry, next video again we will discuss regarding the same topic. Till then, take care. If you like my channel, please like it, subscribe it, and do not forget to share it. Take care.